Starting this video at the Junkyard. To do this brake light mod that I want to do on the Caliber, because of the new tail lights have the extra socket, I need to find an 07 Caliber turn signal, pigtail, bulb socket, all that stuff, so that it'll fit in there. So they have a few 07 Calibers, so I'm hoping that we can grab 2 pigtails. So let me, all I should need is a screwdriver and some dikes. So let me grab those and we'll head in. Got an 07, super duper base model. Still had the flashlight sitting in here, so we'll take that. I always wondered what was here if you didn't have the sound system. So, so you can see the yellow turn signal in there. We just gotta get this off and cut the harness. So this is the one we need right here. It's kind of stuck on this side. There we go. I just gotta snip it off. Oh look, that one was replaced. That's a depot light. I was wondering why it wasn't fogged up like this one. So we got one, and we just need this one. Now we got our 2 pigtails. We can go back to the garage, get some clear bulbs instead of the amber ones, and wire them into the brake light. So now that we picked up a few things from the Junkyard, these little pigtails, and grabbed some of these little connectors from the parts store, I also decided to get new sockets, just because I don't trust really the ones from the Junkyard, and I had some clear bulbs that fit in there. So now that we have all this, just have to put it in, wire it together. Should be fairly simple because the other reverse light is 2-wire. The new reverse light is 2-wire. 12 volt, super easy to hook up. So let's grab some pliers, get that tail light popped out. Tail light's popped off. And like I said, these depot ones are made for all models. So they always have this turn signal bulb for like the 07 calibers. If you have an older caliber, like mine, that doesn't have it, but you don't want to buy tail lights, this is actually just blocked off on the stock housings. I'll show you the ones I got in a moment. So, first thing we're going to do is take the new guy here with a bulb, fit it in here, if I can line it up. So, unfortunately, the new ones I bought from Rock Auto, if you look at this tab here, it's the right spot, but it's longer. So, for now, I'm going to run the old ones. These might be for the front. I'll just double check. I'll hang on to them. They were decently cheap. So, got this pushed in. So now all we got to do is connect these 2 wires to these 2 wires here. Should be fairly simple. So with connectors like these, I normally like to take my pliers and squeeze down the metal part first before actually putting the locking piece on. That way I can be sure that it's pushed all the way in and not, there we go. So that's all we got to hook those up. Now let's test it. So now that we got this side done, we will go ahead and do the other side real quick, and that should be it. But I mean, fairly simple. And now we've doubled our reverse light power. All right, passenger side's done. Put it all back together now. That looks so much better than just having an empty hole in there. Even if you don't want to wire it, you can always have a dummy light. So that was a really quick, kind of easy mod to do if you have a later model caliber and you kind of want to have more backup light. I think you can actually do that in the Patriots too. I believe they did the same thing. But I still have my stock original 09 taillights. So I want to show you, if you don't want to buy another set of taillights to do the brake light mod, you can just get any bulb socket and pigtail and wire it in. You just have to Dremel out the hole. So let me show you. So here we go. So as you can see, card signal, empty, blank. So on the back side, they never cut it out. It's just still blocked off. So you can take, if you want to make the same small size hole, you can do that again here. You want to do the big one like I did. You want to do LED lights, whatever. You have the spot for that if you have a later model caliber that has turn signals built into the brake light. But really quick update, really quick, cheap upgrade to do. Junkyard run. I think I paid $350 for both pigtails and some cheap clear bulbs from the hardware store or from the auto parts store and some clips. That was about it. Very quick, very nice upgrade. I think it'll be nicer to have at night, especially since my windows are slightly tinted, and that's basically it. So hope you guys like this little update. I might change the lights to LED at some point because the brake lights are all LED, but we'll save that for another time. So hope you guys like this little update.